If your car is shaking during cold starts or throwing a P0300 Misfire code, you likely have thick carbon crust on your intake valves. You can fix this yourself with a walnut blasting setup to restore your engine power and smooth out that rough idle. On engines like the BMW N54 or the Volkswagen 2.0 Turbo, the fuel injectors spray gasoline directly into the cylinder. Because the fuel never touches the back of the intake valves, oil vapors from the crankcase bake onto the hot metal and turn into a hard, black crust. This buildup blocks your airflow and causes the engine to stumble. Chemical sprays from a can are not strong enough to dissolve this rock-hard layer, so you have to use mechanical force to chip it away. To do this correctly, you need a 20-pound gravity-feed media blaster and several bags of fine grit crushed walnut shells. You use walnut shells because they are soft enough to leave your aluminum cylinder head and steel valves undamaged, but they are hard enough to blast the carbon off. You also need a high-volume air compressor that can provide enough cubic feet per minute to keep the blasting pressure steady. The most important step in this entire process is making sure the intake valves are completely closed before you start blasting. You must use a socket on the crankshaft pulley to rotate the engine by hand for every single cylinder you work on. If you leave a valve open, even a tiny bit, those walnut shells will fly into the engine cylinder and will destroy your piston rings the moment you start the car. You must visually verify that the valves are fully seated and sealed against the head. To keep your garage from being covered in thick dust, you need a vacuum adapter that fits tightly into the intake port. Many people use a 3D printed tool or a custom wand that lets you insert the blaster nozzle, while a powerful shop vacuum pulls the debris out at the same time. You will start the process by removing the intake manifold, and then you should let the valves soak in a carbon-dissolving solvent for 20 minutes to help loosen the top layer. This soaking helps break the initial bond of the heavy crust, so the shells can work much faster. Once you start blasting, work in short bursts and check your progress often. Once the valves are clean and shiny, make sure to vacuum out every single stray piece of walnut shell before you put the manifold back on. If you rush this or skip the vacuum seal, you will spend hours cleaning grit out of every corner of your engine bay, and your sensors might fail. Take your time and check your work with a bright flashlight after every pass to ensure the metal is clean. You want to see the original silver color of the metal valves before you stop. This job usually takes a beginner about 4 to 6 hours to finish, but it saves you hundreds of dollars in dealership labor fees. Always double-check your manifold gaskets for air leaks before you bolt everything back together. If your engine is hesitating under a load, check your valves for this carbon buildup. Keep a close eye on your fuel economy and drop a comment if your gas mileage is dropping.